What's up, YouTube? You already know it's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm back with another one, back with another one, yeah, and I'm back with another lit eyeshadow tutorial. Today, I'm just going to be doing something quick for like if you're going somewhere on the go and you're not trying to do too much and you're just trying to get a little pop to your life. Before this video start, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area for your girl, Shay. Okay, like I always do, I did my eyebrows off camera, but I really didn't do much. I just did a little shading because this is just like a look on the go. And you guys, I recently dyed my hair midnight purple, so yeah. But I'm going to be doing some videos of me dyeing hair soon, so stay tuned for those. Trying to figure out what color I want to do today because I just want to be stuck doing the same old colors. Since I have purple and black in my hair and I love to go with the theme like of what I'm wearing, normally I'm going to go with the purple and the black, but I think I'm going to do like a purple and black smoky eye. That's what is in my head, so I'm going to go on with that. And I'm going to do one eye off camera and I'm going to do the other eye on. Okay, everyone, so I have the first eye done and I had just decided to go a little dramatic with the black because I just wanted to find a really good way to blend the colors in, so that's what I went with. And I'm going to show you guys how I went through this process. So first I'm going to go in with my AOA Studio Perfect, and this is the eyeshadow primer. And I'm also going to take the AOA Studio F112 brush, and I'm going to use this to blend out my primer with. And today, everyone, I am not using a mirror. My mirror right here, but I'm just using my camera. I don't know. I just wanted to see how it would turn out like this without using the normal mirror that I normally use when I start my videos. So I'm just putting that primer everywhere, and I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend it out and stuff like that. Now I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kiss brush, and I'm going to go in with my jewels, my CoverGirl True Naked Jewels palette, and I'm going to go in with that purple right there first. And I'm just going to get it all on this brush. And I'm going to put the purple all up here. Hey everyone, this is my little cousin. You want to say hey, y'all? He don't want to say hey, y'all. That's my little cousin.
I ain't got nothing to do with that.
He ain't got nothing to do with this. You can say hey to the camera. The camera nice. And how I do it to make the wing is I just take this and I just put it up in that perfection that I want it, just so both my eyes can be even. Because this is kind of how I like to wing it. So I just try to make sure that both eyes are winged the right way. Next, I'm going to go back in with my True Naked Jewels palette. I'm going to switch my brush. I'm going to take the AOA Studio F123. And I'm going to go in with the dark black right there at the bottom. Well, the first one. And I'm going to put that black right there on the rest of my crease where I didn't put the rest of the purple. I'm going to just dab it all over here. Get all of this together. And like with this, I'm just going to dab it. I'm not going to do too much, but I'm just going to start dabbing Do like that. Get a dab in it. Now I'm going to go in with my Stardy palette. And I'm going to take this purple right there. Boom. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that purple right where I've had put the other purple. Just kind of. Just to kind of bring some more depth. Now this, I'm going to clean that brush off a little bit. And now I'm just going to blend that in with that after I clean my brush off. Just kind of blend it in. Just so both sides can look alike. Because I'm going to start to build that black in. I'm going to go back in with that same palette with the black. And I'm going to add that black again. Add that black to the side again. Give it a more deeper. Trying to get it just like the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my eyes. And this is a smoky eye palette. And I'm going to go in with this. This is Choco. I'm going to go in with the Choco color. I'm going to go in with the AOA Studio F116 brush. I want to take that Choco. And I'm just going to put that right here in the corner of my eyes. Hopefully, oh yeah. Yes, y'all see the difference, right? I just hope y'all see the difference in that. That is really cute. Boom. This is the end result. You guys know I had to do a light makeup with bang and highlight. Oh, look at that highlight. Ooh. If you made it to the end of this video, say that highlight is banging everywhere. Okay, everyone. So this is the end result. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. It's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm out. And also, to the people that want me to do the Kyle Kids prank part 3, it will be coming soon. I love you all. Thank you all for the support. It's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm out.